Hi, welcome back to my channel and today we'll see about laws of chemical combination. Chemical combination की laws के बारे में देखेंगे. उसमें we'll first study about laws of conservation of mass. Now this law was given by Antoine Lavoisier. Lavoisier ने क्या किया, बहुत सारे experiments किए, planned careful experiments किए और उसने क्या conclude किया that mass of the reactants, total mass of the reactants is equal to total mass of the products. ये समझने के लिए हम एक example लेंगे. We'll take a simple example which is A plus B giving you C plus D. We are having reactants on left hand side जो compounds react कर रहे हैं और जो products बना रहे हैं we'll write on right hand side. Now on left hand side we are having two things A and B. Say for example the mass is, here it is 4, here it is 2, mass of C is 3 and mass of D is 3. So as you can see, total mass of reactants on left hand side is 6, total mass of reactants on right hand side is 6. That means reaction के end में हमको same mass मिलता है. Understood? Mass loss नहीं होता है reaction में. That means what? That mass is conserved during this reaction. That is why it is called law of conservation of mass. Another way of the statement of law of conservation of mass is that we can neither create mass or not destroy mass. That means what, हम mass को create नहीं कर सकते हैं, ना ही उसको destroy कर सकते हैं, वो conserved रहेगा पूरे reaction में. Understood? But ये law में ये बहुत पहले दिया गया है, इसके थोड़े limitations है, that will not talk about. Understood? First, this was the first law of conservation of mass. Now we will study about law of अब हम पढ़ेंगे लॉ ऑफ डेफिनेट. प्रपोजन दिस वाज गिवन बाय प्राउस्ट. ये लॉ किसने दिया था? प्राउस्ट ने. और उसने क्या बोला, हम स्टेटमेंट के साथ देखेंगे इसको. इन अ गिवन कंपाउंड the elements are in fixed proportion by mass. तो ये लॉ क्या बोलता है कि कोई भी कंपाउंड आप ले लीजिए, उसमें जो एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट है वो एलिमेंट्स का जो प्रपोर्शन है, ओके, वो फिक्स्ड है एंड फिक्स्ड प्रपोर्शन बाय मास. we'll take an example to understand this. Say for example we have taken water. This water we are taking from river, okay, source is river, and this water it is general tap water जो हम use करते हैं. Okay, now this will be having what? 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Here also it is. That means river water में भी hydrogen का content क्या है? Hydrogen का content है, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So what is the ratio? 2 is to 16, okay, and 1 is to 8. Understood? So we are having the ratio of elements, okay, by weight is 1 is to 8. Here also the same, mass change नहीं होने वाला है. That means उसका proportion भी change. तो हमने क्या find किया? That you take water from any source, you take from river or take it from tap, the proportion of elements, that is proportion of hydrogen, आप देख सकते it is 1 is to proportion of hydrogen and oxygen is 1 is to 8, and here also proportion of hydrogen and oxygen is 1 is to 8. That means it is not depending on the source, it is not depending on the method. Suppose आपने कोई compound लिया, उसको आपने lab में generate किया है, and you are having also a natural sample of it. आपके पास एक natural sample भी है और आपने उस compound को lab में generate किया है, lab में produce किया है. फिर अब अगर आप उसके एलिमेंट्स का प्रपोर्शन निकालेंगे, दैट विल बी सेम. तो ये लॉ क्या बोलता है कि आप कंपाउंड आप कहीं से भी ले लीजिए, कोई भी मेथड से प्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए, द प्रपोर्शन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, द एलिमेंट्स आर इन फिक्स्ड प्रपोर्शन बाय मास. Understood? Now we'll take about third law. We'll see about third law. This was the second law. Now we'll see about law of multiple proportion, law number third, and it was given by John Dalton. डाल्टन ने ये लॉ दिया था. ये लॉ क्या बोलता है, हम स्टेटमेंट के साथ इसको भी देखेंगे. When two or more elements combine to form more than one compound, then the masses of element which combine with the fixed mass of another element, with the fixed mass of other element are in the ratio of small whole numbers. थोड़ा ये लेंदी है स्टेटमेंट और कंफ्यूजिंग है, बट हम इजी कर देंगे एक एग्जाम्पल से. ओके, वी आर टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. और दीज टू when combines, they can give nitric oxide, and they can also give nitrogen dioxide. Okay, nitrogen and oxygen combine होता है. Sometimes you are getting nitric oxide and plus O2. Sometimes it is giving nitrogen dioxide. Means here mass of nitrogen, if you know that mass of nitrogen is 14, mass of oxygen is 16, mass of nitrogen is here also, it is 14. Here two oxygens are there, so it will be 32. So what is happening? Mass of nitrogen, as you can see, it is fixed. It is 14. It is combining with the element, another element. Here mass of oxygen is 16 and here it is 32. That means here the ratio of these two combining is what? 14:16. And here what it is? 14:32. 14:16. So it will be 7:8. Here it is 14:32. Okay. Here it is 7:8 and here it is 7:16. तो ये जो मास कंबाइन हो रहा है, ओके, दैट मास, एक का मास फिक्स्ड है और जो दूसरे के साथ कंबाइन हो रहे हैं वो रेशियो चेंज हो रहा है. बट आप इसका रेशियो निकालेंगे, इट विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ होल नंबर, स्मॉल होल नंबर्स. अंडरस्टूड? तो ये लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रपोर्शन है.